Hi guys, good afternoon. This is my lunch, salad with 3 shrimps. Let's have a lunch guys. Healthy lunch tayo ngayon kasi need natin mag-diet. Ayan. Nilagyan ko na pala ito ng olive oil, vinegar. Tapos syempre, ito pinaka-favorite ko guys. Itong pickled garlic. So yummy. Ayan guys. It's 2:43 in the afternoon guys. Kaya gutom na ako. Let's have a bite. I'm hungry guys. Let's eat. So yummy. Ihalo natin guys. Nilagyan ko na to ng olive oil, vinegar, salt. Ayan. Kaya halo-halo na natin. Let's have lunch.